Here I am, the last one leaving the office on a Friday afternoon, done being a pediatric physical therapist and on my way to my weekend. See you later. After driving 5 hours, I'm finally close to St. Simons. I'm on the F.J. Torres Causeway, not much further to St. Simons. This island is known for the live oak trees and the Spanish moss hanging down. It is so beautiful here. This is our home sweet home on St. Simons at Ocean Walk. I am so excited. Guy brought the stuff for our channel that we're gonna do. And I have the LG V40 Thin Q that's refurbished, that's come in. And I've got the Spark. So I'm gonna open them up. I'm so excited. I cannot wait to look at all these instructions and figure out how to put all this stuff together. I am so excited. I got my Spark, but it says there's wind gusts today and it's not good to fly. I just got this. I want to fly. It says there's still wind gusts. I can't fly. Honey, I can't believe it. The wind is blowing too hard and I can't fly it today. We decided to go to sunset down at East Beach on St. Simons Island. St. Simons Island is located on the eastern coast of Georgia between Savannah, Georgia and Jacksonville, Florida. Here we go out to the beach for the sunset. It's gorgeous already. I decided to set up my DJI Osmo Mobile 2 to get motion time-lapse photography. I can't believe that I haven't had this phone for 12 hours and I have already dropped it. Guy decides to set up his tripod to be able to get time exposures. The dim light requires a tripod to keep from getting blurry pictures. I love the combination of his wide angle and the long exposures that help make the waves silky and smooth and make the lines that draw your eyes into the picture. Okay, honey, what time is sunrise tomorrow?
6:50 a.m.
6:50. Okay, so we have to be down at the beach 30 minutes before, so that's 6:20. We have to be up at 6 o'clock. That's perfect.
Are you sure? 6 o'clock? That's
yeah,
early.
Yeah, that's the.
You're going to do it?
I mean, if you're not there for the show, you don't get the shot.
Okay, I'll hold you to it. 6
right.
o'clock.
I'm game.
All right. Honey, come on, get up.
Honey.
It's time to get up. We got
Honey,
to go.
you turn on the light.
The sun is about to come up in a few minutes.
No, honey.
We've got to go.
This was a much better idea last night than it is now.
It was your idea. Come on.
Honey, are you videoing?
Oh, no, I would not be doing that.
Oh, honey. Okay, turn it off. Turn it off. I'm getting up.
Okay.
Oh. 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 I guess we'll go down to Gould's Inlet. It's part of East Beach. Oh, this is hard. I think we've decided to go down to Gould's Inlet. It's on the northern end of East Beach. There's some nice dunes down there, and with this tide, East Beach is really pretty. Well, we made it a little late, but not much, and it's already gorgeous. Ooh! It's so pretty! Come on! Come on! It's so pretty! Oh my goodness, I am constantly getting in guys' photos. Make sure you pay attention to your foregrounds with sunrise photos. I think that's what makes the difference between a great photo at sunrise and an excellent one. Oh my gosh, I should have brought the Spark. I could fly if I'd brought it. Aww. The dunes with their sea oats make a wonderful foreground with the sunrise blazing behind. If you are lucky enough to catch sunrise at low tide, the tidal pools make wonderful reflection ponds. After a successful morning photography shoot, I love taking a walk on the beach. Oh no, the tide's getting my tripod. Ah!